Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo Business for tax-friendly transaction tracking step-by-step clearly. Download the Venmo Business app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address or phone number to create your account. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Once you've registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the Business Profiles section in the app. Select Create Business Profile. Fill in the required business information, provide a brief description of your services. Next, input your business address and contact information. Link your bank account to facilitate transactions. Enter the necessary banking details, including your account number and routing number. Verify your identity by providing requested personal information. Upload any required documentation, such as your business license. Once submitted, wait for Venmo to process your information. When approved, you'll receive a confirmation in the app. Set up transaction tracking by activating notifications for payment activity. Regularly check your transaction history in the app for tax purposes. Use the export feature to download transaction reports when needed. Stay updated with Venmo's policies regarding business accounts. Review your settings periodically to ensure everything is accurate. By following these steps, you can efficiently authenticate with Venmo Business. This will help streamline your tax-friendly transaction tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.